In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your microphone in Microsoft Edge. So by default, once you've got Edge open, what should happen is when you try and use your microphone, it's going to ask you here, and you can allow or block the use of the microphone on this website. So I've clicked on the microphone button. It's going to then ask me, and then I can choose to allow it. Now I've chosen to allow it, I should then be able to use this microphone forever on Microsoft Edge until I change it. Now, if you want to look at these settings and if you want to enable or disable it manually, if you go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and you go to settings, you can then go to privacy, search and services. You can then go to site permissions, all permissions, microphone, and as you can see, it's going to be set to ask before accessing, so make sure that is turned on, and you can then change your microphone to the correct one here. And you can also see any sites that you've given access to your microphone. If you want to remove them, click on the trash can icon. So this is how you can enable it. Make sure you've got this turned on, and whenever you try and use it by clicking on a record or microphone button, it will always ask you first if you want to use the microphone or not. So make sure this is turned on. That's how you can enable it.